Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in so the system recognizes you. Once done, go directly to Profile or Settings. Make sure your Aadhaar or primary ID is already linked because Digilocker uses that for secure verification. Tap Change Mobile or Update Contact and enter the new number when prompted. You'll be asked how you want to verify, by current registered mobile OTP, Aadhaar OTP, or consent flow, so pick the option shown. This is the first actionable step to initiate the official update. Next, you verify identity. The app will present verification options. Use the existing registered number for OTP if available, or select Aadhaar OTP/eKYC consent when your new number is linked via UID. Enter the OTP promptly and avoid delays so it doesn't expire. If asked for additional authentication, follow prompts to e-sign or upload a small document snapshot. This proves you control both the old and new contact points. Once verification succeeds, Digilocker prepares the change for confirmation. Finally, confirm the new number and approve the update. The system will record the change and may show a success message. Log out and sign in again to ensure the profile displays the updated mobile. If the change doesn't reflect, wait a few minutes and retry sign in or use resend OTP. If OTP never arrives or the new number isn't accepted, it usually means UID has a different number. Update your Aadhaar mobile at UID or contact Digilocker support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.